All right, are you guys ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Our family past oh my!
What's up, guys?
This is your favorite neighborhood Spiderman.
I'm JoJo Siwa. JoJo Siwa. JoJo Siwa.
And today
I'm JoJo
is
Siwa. I'm
Halloween!
That's
And
right,
I'm
it's
JoJo
Halloween.
Siwa. And
And today, since you know the pandemic is a lot of people not doing trick or treating, so today we're gonna be making. What are we making?
We're making Krabby Patties!
Nah, I'm making a Krabby Patty.
A pinata!
We're making a yacht and then we're gonna
Yep,
break
we're gonna make
it.
a pinata and then they're gonna break it. And this is spookily.
Guys,
It's like a square pumpkin. We're gonna be making square pumpkin.
so the first thing you need a box. You need, what are these called?
It's like a sponge.
Sponge cakes.
The sponge cakes. Oh god, you're gonna
You
need
need
some
some Mod.
podge. Yes, that's what it's called, Mod Podge.
I'm just gonna call it
Glue.
Mod Putty.
You're gonna need some blow cord.
You need the grown up stuff. You need
You're
some
gonna need some
scissors.
tissue paper,
It's
some
mud.
construction paper. You're gonna need lots and lots of
It's
candy.
mud cake.
You're gonna need some pipes,
It's square cake.
a scissor, a knife.
It's square
This right here is
cake.
called the awl. Remember, this is only for
Square
grown-ups. Yep. So first things first, we would like to say, make sure you like
And
subscribe
subscribe
to our channel.
to 100 million thousand subscribers.
At the end of the video, let's
And
take
100 million
Spider-Man.
thousand
You want to turn 1,000
YouTube
likes?
channels
You want to
Likes.
turn 1,000 subscribers?
and 100 million
Yes,
thousand
and we're
subscribers.
getting close to 60 subscribers.
So guys, if we get 1,000 subscribers,
And we got
promise, we will start selling merch.
Yeah, exactly.
So
We got
don't
our
forget
merch
to
lined
share
up.
with your friends and your teacher.
That's
And
right.
I'm saying, and thank you for doing 100 for the hang up for a volcano.
And guys, don't forget to watch the volcano if you have a science project.
That's right, because you know it's school
Yeah.
year. It's been really busy here. We haven't been posting a lot
Yeah,
of videos
what to
because
do?
we're trying to get used to
We have to
the.
do school on the computer with the virus.
And you know, since the virus, the pandemic, we had to a lot of homeschooling, so we're trying to get used to the schedule, and we'll start posting more videos. Right now, we're doing a little reno.
And we got candy.
Yep, lots of candy. All right, so
Yeah, we're gonna try to do it like every day.
well, try to go back to the once a week thing now that we got everything situated. But for now, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tissue paper.
And the box.
All right, so we're gonna lay this flat down like this. All
Wait,
right.
I remember using tissue paper in the familiar video.
All right. So now
Guys,
we got the tissue paper.
Guys, like if you think you know what it is.
Yep. If you remember what video. And on top of that, there's a pumpkin. What else we got?
And a
A
teddy bear.
dinosaur.
And a
Oh yeah, we call it
dinosaur
dinosaur.
skeletons.
So if you guys
Two
see it,
skeletons.
make sure you put the like button in. All right, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna flip your box over this way, right? You're gonna take your Mod Podge, right? You're gonna take your brush, so dip some of this in.
It's a bullet putty.
We will soon, right? You dip some like this.
Can I dip some putty?
Yeah, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna paint the top of the box. Yep, so you're gonna take this.
Putty.
And you're gonna paint it. Go ahead. All right, so after you do the top like this.
Smells like salad dressing. It got messed up.
All right, now you're gonna glue the
This
sides like that. So go ahead, glue the side. Alright, so what we're gonna do, because now it's getting stuck to the bottom of the paper, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put this on the top like that.
Ooh, it got ripped.
Yeah, that's alright. Alright, so what we're gonna do
Make
is.
sure you watch our family cargo live.
That's right, make sure you watch it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take each side like this and we're gonna fold it up just like that. And then when you get to the sides like this, right? You see that? You're gonna go in like that, right? Like you're wrapping a present.
Oh, and
See
then
that?
you need the scissors.
No, we don't need a scissor. And then you take this. No, we don't have to cut it. You're gonna do is you're gonna put a little more glue. Yeah, I'll let you do the other side, okay?
Okay.
And then you're gonna take this and you're gonna fold that just like this. Alright, so you're starting to look like spookily already. You see the orange? Alright, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the pipe, alright? You're gonna take a pipe, right? You're gonna flip this around this way.
And we're going to stick it in.
Alright, you're gonna poke a hole right here.
Oh, and you got like.
And you're gonna poke another hole right here. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fish one end over here on this side, like that. Alright, and then you're gonna fish the other end this way.
Whoa, it's
So-
actually starting to look like spookily.
Alright, so when you go like this, you're gonna go inside like that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna tie it just like that. Like this. Alright, so now what you do is you're gonna take your pick.
It's gonna be like wham.
You're gonna punch another hole like this and another hole like that, right? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pull cord, if I can see, because I can't really see that good. So you're gonna make sure you get a long cord, right? You're gonna cut it with the scissors.
I got the scissors.
You're gonna cut this like that.
If you
Let me
guys,
see.
if you guys do
I
not
can't
want
really
to
see with
use
these masks.
scissors and you have sewing scissors too, you can also use sewing scissors.
Uh-huh. Now you gotta try to fish this through here
Hold
like
on,
that.
hold on.
Yeah, it's gonna be
back.
a little difficult.
I'm coming back, guys. I'm just getting the string. Just getting under the string.
It's hard for me to see through the mask. All right.
I'm
So I'm gonna poke it. That was fast. So then you're gonna come here. You're gonna fish this right through the hole, just like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna tie this to the washer like that. Just bear with me, guys, because I can't even see through this. It's hard to see through this mask.
I could see perfectly.
Yeah, I know you can see perfectly. You got a mask on your head.
No, I could see perfectly when I was wearing the mask.
Oh, you could? Your eyes are a lot better than mine. All right, so now we're gonna come on this side
Guys, what does
with the
it smell like?
string. What does what smell like?
Your mask.
What does it smell like? It doesn't smell like anything. I smell the glue more than I smell the mask.
Alright, guys.
Alright, so this is what it should look like. We got the paper right here. We done fished the string. That took a long time to do, but we finally got it. And then what you're gonna do is you take your other tissue paper, you're gonna spread it just like this.
Look how long this string was.
It's getting stuck to the thing, all the glue that they spilled everywhere. Alright, what you're gonna do is you're gonna poke some holes so the strings can come through, and we're gonna fish this through here. Okay, so now that that's flat on here, now what you could do now is
Oh, we're gonna rewrap it 2 times.
We can start coloring it nicely on the sides. Alright, so now you're gonna paint this side. Alright, guys. Alright, so this is what Spooky looks like, right? He's orange, he's square, he has his little stem on the top. So now we gotta do the arms, the eyes, the eyebrows, and the mouth.
And the nose.
So I'm gonna think
We don't even have a nose.
Yeah,
I'm gonna think we should find the sides and we can all do it by
and the
ourselves,
nose.
like with the
Okay,
parts.
guys.
Alright, so the first thing we do is you get a grown up, right? He's gonna take a knife. Well, her. We're gonna cut. Oh, no, Ava, be careful. Only a grown up.
You're gonna cut a nice hole.
We're gonna cut a nice hole because we need a spot for the candy to go.
Oh, guys, the tissue paper.
Yeah, it's dripping. You're gonna need a spot to fish.
Oh, it's just the head. It's just the head of the box.
Alright, so this is where we're gonna be filling our candy in.
Yeah, I never got to see a pinata before, so this is my first time
Alright.
seeing a pinata.
So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do his arms. Alright, so you take your pick, right? You're gonna poke a hole here, and you're gonna poke another hole. This is called the awl.
Cause you know,
Here.
other people say pick like as selfies.
Alright, so you're gonna take this and you're gonna fish this right through here like that, right? Because now we're making his arms.
Oh, I know how you're gonna do it because he has two arms. So you're gonna try to get through the other side too.
That's gonna be for his arms. So we're gonna fish this through the hole also, and we're gonna tie this like that.
But then it's gonna fall down the snap. Right.
Alright, so now that we got Spooky's arms in, right? We're gonna finish his arms. We can come this way and we're gonna start gluing his eyes.
Ooh, can I do one of the eyes? I'm an expert of gluing eyes.
Alright, so Ava's gonna glue one and Kevin's gonna glue one. Alright, so now we're gonna make the mouth. Alright, so you want Spooky.
Then we're gonna make I'm gonna make a nose.
And guys,
somebody already drew on this paper. I'm trying to see through this paper, I can't see. Alright, so Spooky looks happy, right? So you want to draw him a happy face, right? Alright, so
no, wait, you're struggling.
I'm just gonna guess and cut anything for the eyebrows because I can't see.
You're not even cutting the eyebrows.
Alright, so take it. Oh, I can see now. Alright. I'm sweating it
I
out.
want that.
Does that look like Spookly? It looks like Spookly a little bit. Does that look like Spookly?
Yeah,
Drop a like if it looks like Spookly
I want
to
to
you.
eat it.
Let's see. Let's see. Does it look like
I want to
Spookly?
eat the candy.
I know you do.
And
That's why I'm rushing because you guys want to eat the candy.
In step 1000, put the candy in.
You alright? Like you had a lot of candy.
Ava, let's sneak some candy in our mouth.
Alright, so now we're gonna make his hands. Stop being sneaky. I'm watching you guys. Alright, so we're gonna do this like that, and we're gonna make Spookly's hands. You guys are crazy. I got my eyes on you guys.
Alright, guys.
Alright, so this is a little spookly. It looks like spookly. We got the hole in the back. That's what we're gonna stuff.
If you guys are noticing that it's folded, I just folded it so that way we can get a better picture of Spookly. So guys, you can look at Spookly for a minute, and then you can kind of get an idea of what Spookly looks like.
All right, so now that we have it, we're gonna stuff the candy. All right, so we're gonna take this candy and we're gonna stuff it inside of our Spookly pinata. And while you're at it, these guys are gonna try to eat the candy. And try to eat it. Guys are sneaky.
My Reese's Pieces is so smushy.
And then you know that, like they said, you can't beat them, you join them. So I'm gonna use some Twizzlers.
This is good.
It's good. The kids don't eat it. It's good.
Good.
All right, now that we stuffed the box, all right, you flip it like this. Woo, this box is heavy. It looks like Spookly's holding up nice. All right, so we're gonna get into position, and these guys are gonna pull the cord, and we're gonna see if it works. They guys think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna work?
Yeah, but how are we gonna get it all the way up there?
I'm gonna tie it up, and we're gonna pull it. All right, we will be back, and when we come back, we're gonna pull Spookly. You go behind somebody, go like, they're like, ah, what is that? Ah! All right, we'll be back. Peace. All right, guys, so this is our pumpkin. This is our Spookly. We have them hanging, ready to go. These kids are ready to pull it. They got their puppet, what do you call those? They're puppet, paper bags, right? That's what that's called. Kevin got his Scooby-Doo. Ava got her SpongeBob.
Well,
so
Daddy's SpongeBob, but Daddy.
Oh, yeah. So then they're going to get ready to pull Spookly. Spookly's looking like, please, I'm happy, but don't pull me.
No, don't pull her.
I'm gonna open it.
All right. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go. So it worked. It worked. Spookily. He still looks happy. You guys happy?
Yeah.
So this is a nice, easy thing to do if, I know you guys didn't go trick-or-treating, so now you know. Next time, all you gotta do is make a piñata, and there you go. So what you want to tell everybody, make sure they do what?
Like and subscribe and eat candy. It's healthy
Like and
for you.
subscribe to our channel.
Candy is healthy, so eat it.
Oh yeah, is that healthy? Kevin is his Scooby-Doo.
Candy is healthy, so eat it.
Candy is healthy. All right, so make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel again. And thanks for joining us. We have about 60 subscribers now. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be doing these videos. But because you guys liked and subscribed to our channel, we keep doing it. So let's keep getting more likes and subscribes. We are out. They're going to sit there and pick up and enjoy their candy.
Thank you.
We are out. Peace out.
Bye.